other things are left. Yeah, so let's talk about the internship. So I mean, this is also a main point which I mean the it was requested from many attendees and many colleagues. So, and also I feel it's an important point. So how to get an internship? So let's see. Hmm, so just a sec. There is called Vector Institute of Technology, okay, which is based in I believe in Hyderabad. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Y-
Nikhil.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
visible.
okay. Yeah. Thank you. So this is a Vector Institute of Technology. Many seniors and many many of the juniors have also gone to the Vector Institute. This is the best institute in providing a training in the embedded system. Okay. I want you to, whether you are in whatever year, it's third year or it's the second year. So try to attend this university, best recognized by any other any professors or many you can say the Narendra Modi and all. So don't see on the advertisement. Go over there to understand the training. Try to understand the training. Try to get some hands-on experience, which is all required. So I have connected with my other members and the seniors who have attended this. So their usual process start with applying their jobs. Okay, I mean applying the test, which you need to first register and get shortlisted from there. And so after the once you get shortlisted, you will be called for some duration like 8 months or according to 12 months. Depends on what your interest is, whether you're looking for embedded system, you're looking for a VLSI. So which is really, I mean, whatever you have learned in your 4 year of your bachelor's, 45 subjects, but you have to get ready for the industry. You have to get ready for yourself. So just get started. Okay, start your engines, start building your engines. So just boost it up. And I mean, start your research. So I mean, being a start before starting your project, you will be already a researcher, because this is all the research work. There is also a profile called research analyst. Okay, the usual job, their profile or their job looks like the same. They used to keep on researching. Okay, so just start your research work from the first year. Okay, because if you get some experience on research and all, I mean, you have some exposure, you have some great things to learn. So just go to this vector and try to get in connect with that. So there is a contact section where you can just get in connect with them and you can call over there. So try to understand, is there any opportunity for from work from home or any internships available, or is there any training? Mainly these guys are involved in training. Okay, so where you can they will provide you a training of VLSI. So also on academic projects if you're working on that. Okay, embedded, VLSI and academic. So EC engineer. So whatever, I'm a EC engineer, so I'm mainly focused on this part. So what I've seen from I mean connecting with Rajan, Naveen, and also Ajit, who is currently at IIT Roorkee. So he is mainly focused on that the industry needs this embedded system, which is will be high in the demand. Okay, and VLSI. Okay, which is a vertical logical very large scale integration. So which is also chip designing, where we do a chip designing. So this is the main part which are important, and which will be, there will be a no change in the market demand. So it will keep on improving. Okay, well, as you know, the transistors keep on increasing their storage as usual. So there will be a no change in the marketing demand. So you have to get your hands dirty working on this projects, embedded system projects, VLSI projects, DSP. I mean, Arvind sir is the best for this, who is more specialized in this, and he is more advanced working with other projects also. So if you're not known about the Arvind sir, just try to get in connect with Hanoda ma'am, and she can tell you the who is Arvind sir, and he is more experienced professor, PhD from Triple IT Roorkee. So you can understand so his profile, and you can get some projects experience over there. So So get in connect with this guys, Vector Institute. So they will help you to they will also help you to understand your profile, and you can accordingly you can start your training with that company, with this Vector Institute, and you can get hands real time hands on experience. So okay, but now the situation is this pandemic. So get some, try to understand what they are offering, and what the scenario over there. So because it's all about you, so you have to work for you and you have to do a research for yourself. Okay, so you have to connect with the many other institutes where they provide some hands-on experience. Because I mean, if you're not doing, if you're not, you have not done any projects, if you have not done the major like 3 or 4 projects in your throughout your bachelor's degree, so I mean, you have to be see, you have, this is the time where you have to be a serious, this is time where you have to be more focused, okay, to get a job. So then, because I started my research work in the third year, end of the third year, so I knew it everything. But the situation was really different for us, because we were holding some projects and all, so we're not able to go anywhere. But I definitely say, if you have an opportunity to work for internship, work from home, try to do it. That is an opportunity. So no one was there to help us, and so after the lot of research and a lot of brainstorming, I mean, we have learned that whatever the mistakes we have done. So I don't want you to repeat this mistake. So not doing any internships. So we have done internships in past also, which was around 1 month, was with Amtron company, or we people, which is, I mean, one company is Amtron, which is based in I think in Wagodia. So you can this is electronics company, so you can understand, you can go over there and you can attend their training, or even you can request for an internship without getting paid. So I think it's a big, very big exposure when you work with that company, big company, startup company. But good to know, with the machines you will see how really the automatic machines are working, how they make the chips and all. Okay, so this is one Vector Institute, okay, where you can go and connect with them. And the last second one is I will recommend you go to the Internshala. Okay, so Internshala is a big platform where people learn, okay, from a different industry professionals who are actually working with that company. Okay, so here also, guys, you have to make your profile. Okay, so like as a student, as an employer, you need to register and log in over here and create your same profile, which I said you, introduction, education, achievements, and go according to your preference, whether it's a location, whether it's a profile, whatever you're looking for. Okay, and what are the category you're looking for: engineering internship, machine learning internship, fusion, 3D, okay, AutoCAD. So this is all you can visit and you can apply from here. Okay, this is a one other platform, Internshala. Definitely, I mean, this is really helpful. See, this is a job oriented one, so which will really help you. We can work from home. But for a, definitely for electronics guy, embedded system and VLSI, you need to get a hands on training, because there is a good opportunity for this guys. I mean, they can become R&D scientist, they can go in the research work. Mainly the research scientist, the big role over there is there involved, and mainly you will be working in the lab. So it was a really great exposure to work. Okay, and there is also one opportunity which I need to share you. I mean, if you have done around in 4 years, if you have done around 10 internship, which is duration of 2 or 3 months, try to if you're I mean, if you're ready to work in other outside of the India, so go for it. I mean, there are now, the situation is really bad. I mean, no one is accepting any exposure, someone who from this India or any other country. But there is an opportunity. I mean, the big manufacturing companies are available in Germany, okay, UK. Okay, so you can also apply for a jobs from same through the LinkedIn. Okay, no other I mean, you have to search for any other the third party, please get me the job, and I'm looking for a job in this Germany, or I'm looking for a job in UK. So need not have to go with other third party. Okay, so I mean, you are your all research, you are your own I mean the researchers. So try to make the good profile on LinkedIn, and as I said you, the Boolean search, whatever the job profile you're looking for and for which country you're looking for, just write in the location, and you will be get your results, and try to apply over from there. And also, apart from that, this resume section have your some this have this just a sec. This one is, I believe, yeah, cover letter. Okay, mainly the outsider companies which are located in Germany, UK, these guys look for a cover letter. I mean, in this cover letter, you will write mostly about. This is a one page, okay, where you will be writing some in paragraph form that what's your, I mean, your name, what's your current title, I mean, what you have done, and what your expertise are, and how you are good to join this company. Okay, so just write in the paragraph form. So I will showcase you that format, so you should also again what you should write the brief overview. I have my cover letter, just a sec. Mm, yeah, I can see some raising hands. Sure, let's give me time. Yeah. So suppose if you're complying, if you're applying for a company called MongoDB. Okay, there's a this is a big, I think is the main startup company which is started in Ahmedabad, analytics company. So you need to add this section. This is something, your name, your email address, your phone number, and where you're based right now. So this dear HR department, and write the matter. I'm thrilled to be applying for the open reference analyst position at Yes Technologies, whatever the company name is. It has been dreamed for mine. Just show your interest. I mean, how you can just sell yourself. It has been dreamed mine to become transition into analytics, which is why I'm excited to apply for this open position. I am a believer that always working on difficult things and learning new things, which keeps me a young and challenging man. So you can overall you can write this way. Okay, and I'm the perfect candidate for this job who can work according to your requirements. Thank you for spending a time review. Just write this line anyway. I mean, thank you for spending a time reviewing my application. I deeply believe that my skills and qualification make me an ideal candidate for this role, and I'm extremely motivated to join your organization and look forward to discussing my candidacy in an interview. And write sincerely in your name. This is how the format look like. If possible, I will share with the community. Okay, through the email after this, all the session gets over. Okay, that will also really help you out. For if you're I mean, if you have a dream to work in other countries, if you have done around 5 to 6 internships, that only because they require some internship. Any freshers, I mean, they don't entertain any freshers over there. Just a sec. Let me share. Let's see. Okay, what are things are left? Just we are left with roles for a different stream. Okay, internships. What I've talked about is Vector Institute. There are other internshala. Now the platform is you can approach to the this universities. I mean, the other universities like IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay for an internship. For more details to get into the internship, you can directly visit to their website. Okay, you have to do some research. I mean, this is a time where you have to boost up your engine. So you have to start your research. We have to look over the other IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur who are providing internship, work from home opportunities where you can work on the projects, or where you can work on projects with your the professor over there. So try to get connected through the LinkedIn, which is really, I believe in that, and I have done this. So you can get in connect with the IIT the members. So just to give you once again the glance, and we will just move into the last which is called I believe that is the last one is the other roles, which is a basic one. Let me show you how you can find the professors over in the LinkedIn, where the recruiter also do. Just uh, yeah, we are. So let's do it over here. There is the search section. Just okay. Okay. Here is the search section. If I am looking for just a professor, suppose if I am looking for a professor, definitely. So I will write here professor in people. Okay. Professor is falls under people. So see, I have not written anything. I mean, I've written professor. There is a professor Chetan Singh Sonalki, professor at Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. So you can first you need to connect over here. Okay, after connecting, once he or she accepted, so you have to, yes ma'am.
Yes, your screen is not visible.
Okay, just a sec, let me check. Yeah, Naveen have joined, so just I will make it fast. Share the screen. Now it's visible.
Wait, wait. Yeah.
Okay, great. So guys, in search section I have written professor. So professor, I mean professor is in people, everyone knows. So we will write the, I will just select this section, professor and people. So you will see the first the pop-up will screen will appear of this Chetan Singh Sonalki, who is a professor at Indian Institute of Technology at Bombay. So you can directly get in connect with him, and once he accept the connection, so you can try to communicate with as a professional through their LinkedIn. And once he's comfortable, try to know his best time to get in connect with him. So you can work on your, you can just share your idea that I want to work on this project and I need some exposure, I have this idea. If really you get impressed, so you will get an exposure to work with that Indian Institute of Technology, and you will also get some you can show that I was working as a software developer intern at for this project. Okay, so that will showcase really a good impression to the recruiters, or a good impression if you're passionate about, I mean, because this internship is real time. I mean, this will, you can go to the college and you can do over there. That's the best experience I feel. So you can do by this way as a professor. Okay, and even you can see location wise for which location, I mean, the professor are available for IIT Bombay and all. So you can do by selecting this location and all, India, whatever. Okay, and I also want to point out that I like to point out that if you have any I mean opportunity, if you're also interested in working for the UK clients or US clients for a different role like software development, for R&D engineer, or whether it's IT engineer, so you have to, if there is an opportunity for work from home or remote, so that you need to check over here. Just try, I'm writing here R&D engineer. Mostly there are many different R&D engineers where many of them used to work from home, or many of them work remotely. Okay, I mean, but many of them also need to go to the office. Okay, so there is an RD engineer, R&D engineer. For location I will select, okay, I'm looking for a job. Okay, so I need to go into the job section instead of searching over there. If I'm searching for a people, I will, whatever the home page is there, I will search on the this home page. If I'm looking for a job or internship, I will go into the job section. Okay, so I will write, let's see, I will write software developer. Okay, and I will write in this location. Just okay. See, one I, if I write one, I write one sentence software developer, it will automatically, it will take that, will pop up the screen of all the software developer. But I'm looking for jobs, so I will suppose I'm looking something in UK. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm looking for a UK job. I'm looking something remote. So I will select on this remote section. So where you can work from home. Okay. See, these are some software developing tests, and where, see, there you can see the apply on LinkedIn option is available. So it's a really easy. I mean, life becomes easier when you get apply on LinkedIn. Just directly apply, and if you have uploaded your resume, I have already told you how to upload it. So you can just apply next and next, and so you can just apply for this job if you're interested in working for different countries. Okay, for this situation and how the situation is right now, so you can work from home. Okay, because everyone is working except the manufacturing company. Okay,